going to happen here? So as we know, M and M will get cancelled. Will you accept it or not, everybody? Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Shruti? Respond. So M and M will get cancelled. So what is the formula remaining? So G into mass of the earth divided by
R square is equal to V square divided by R.
Yes. So now, can I do the cross multiplication? Or else you can see R square will come this side. What will become? Right here, division will come this side. So G into M, understanding, which is equals to, or else can I bring this R into this side? That is better, correct? We want velocity, correct? So can I bring this R? Yes, guys, that will be easy for us. So now, can I bring this R? So here it is division will come this side. What will become? It will become multiplication. So now divided by R square, which is equals to what? V square.
V square.
V square.
V square. So now in this case, we no need to substitute velocity formula. Understand, Elmokil, Pradosh, everybody, my friend. We no need to substitute velocity formula. Why we no need to substitute velocity formula? Here,
So you want to find velocity.
time period. What we are finding here? We are finding R velocity. Understand? So that is why we no need to substitute. But before satellite case, before planet and the sun, we have been substituted V equals to 2 pi R by T. Do you remember? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is because what we are calculating time period. Understanding? Now here we are not calculating time period. So now, can I get cancel R square and R? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So now, G into mass of the earth divided by R, which is equals to V square.
V square.
Now, square will come this side. What will become, guys? Square
Root.
it will become
Root over G into ME divided
G
by
into ME divided by R.
mass of the
Earth.
mass of the earth. Okay,
Earth.
so that is, it should come down always. Mass of the earth. So this is what the formula for what? Speed of a satellite orbiting the earth. What is that? Speed of a satellite orbiting the earth. So please all of you note it down. Speed of a satellite orbiting the earth. This is the formula. Please keep heading. What is the heading now? Speed of a satellite orbiting the planet. Clear, everybody? Any doubt you can ask. Mavanish, Pradosh, Tamil Selvan.
No doubt, sir.
Yes. So derive. Your own you derive. Shruti, are you understand? Shruti, Devarsini, if you derive your own, that is what it will boost up your confidence. That is what I will say. Now, let me see how smart you people are. Suppose I want to find the time period of a satellite. Then what formula I have to use, guys? Again, in the place of V, what I substitute? In the place of V, what I substitute?
2 pi R by T.
I have to
2 pi R by T.
2 pi R by T. So now, again, what formula I will get? Again, I will get the same formula here. But in here, we are taking mass of the sun. But now, if you are calculating planet, what will come? What it will come?
Planet.
Mass of the
planet.
Mass of the not ray. Mass of the sun we are getting mass of the sun we are getting in the case of mass of the that is revolving around the planets around the sun. Now we are getting satellites. So what will come? The satellites orbiting the earth. So in place of ms, what will come? Just nothing. In place of ms, what will come? me will come. That's all. That I will say you. Do it. Now you do it. Now you solve this one first. Period of a satellite orbiting the planet. We are studying the planet, and that planet we assumed as a what? That planet we assumed as a earth. Understand? We assumed as a earth. Why we are assuming as a earth? We are living on the earth. That is why we are studying about this. Okay. So that is you have to remember. So this is the satellite. This is the satellite. Do it. Any doubt in this you can ask. Are you clear, everybody? Adarshan?
Yes, sir.
Manya and Samya?
Yes, sir.
Solve. So V equals to root of G into ME divided by R. Have you got this one?
Yes, sir.
So now, as we know, now we are going with the time period also. Time period of a satellite. That is what we should call it as. So as we know, A satellite's orbit period, how to derive? Period of a satellite orbiting Earth. Please keep it. Period of a satellite orbiting Earth. So before what we have studied last class, guys, period of a planet orbiting the sun. Yes or no, Ra? We have been derived this. Do you remember? Period of a planet orbiting the sun, we have been derived. That is what? T is equals to 2 pi into root of R cube divided by G into mass of the sun. Yes or no? So now we are going to derive what, guys? What we want now? Period of a satellite orbiting the Earth. What is that? Period of a satellite. Period of a satellite orbiting the Earth. So any planet if we'll take Mars, mass of the Mars will come. Jupiter, mass of the Jupiter will come, like that. Orbiting Earth we are taking. So what will come, guys? So we know period of a planet orbiting the sun. What is the formula? So T is equals to 2 pi into root of R cube divided by gravitational constant into mass of the sun.
Mass of the sun.
Formula for what? Formula for period of a
Time period.
Period of a time.
orbiting the sun. But we want orbiting the Earth now, and it is also satellite. So that what is this? This formula is just simplified as T is equals to, it is constant because it is applicable for everything, correct? Planets orbiting the sun, satellites orbiting the planets, everything it is applicable. So it will come what? R cube divided by G into what will come, Ra? G into what will come? Somebody is
R
saying
cube
R cube
divided by
divided
G
by
into
mass of the Earth. That's all.
Earth.
Yes, that's all. Why we are taking here mass of the Earth? Anybody can say? Because we are taking here a satellite around the Earth. What is that? A satellite around the Earth we are taking. So that is why we are taking as E. Suppose if I take Jupiter, then what will come? A satellite orbiting the Jupiter. Then what will come? Mass of the Jupiter will come. If we take
Mass of the Jupiter.
we are sending Mars satellites, correct? So satellite of a Mars. Now, if we take satellite of a Mars, then time period is equals to what will come? 2 pi into, everybody should respond, R cube divided by G into, what will come, Ra? Mass of the Mars. Mass of the Mars. Okay, Ra? Is it clear, guys? So now,
sir.
it is indicating mass of Mars. Mass of Mars. That's all, like that. So this formula is constant, understand? So this orbital velocity, V also, this orbiting velocity around the Earth, this is also constant for in the case of planets as well as any other satellites in the other planets also. Is it okay, guys? Speed of a satellite orbiting a planet, V is equals to always constant based upon. So now here we are calculating about the Earth. So that is why here ME is coming. If we'll take Sun, what will come, Ra? MS will come. If we'll take Mars, MM will come. If we'll take Jupiter,
Yes, sir.
MJ will come. Is it okay, Elmogel? Tamil Selvan, everybody? Are you
Yes,
clear,
sir.
Alana? That is what you have to remember it. So please note it down. Everybody solve this one. This is what we can say. A period of a satellite orbiting the Earth. Period of a satellite orbiting the Earth. Yes. Please solve it. Solving only will improve your skill. That is what I will say. Are you feeling now? What is the difficulties in higher classes? That is what I will say always. Sai, are you clear, Sai? Sai is in. Yes, please write. Now you have to calculate. I will give you one question. Will you calculate both speed, orbital speed, and as well as time period? Next class I will ask you. Or we will solve in next class, but you have to try in a homework. Is it okay, guys? Or else,
Yes, sir.
we will solve it. So now you can remember it and you have to make it everything. So now I'm going to give you that homework question. So please all of you write it. Right. Orbital speed and period. Orbital speed and period. That is what we are going to calculate. Orbital speed and period. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please write. Assume that a satellite a satellite orbits Earth. Assume that a satellite orbits Earth. Assume that a satellite orbits Earth 225 kilometer. How much it is? 225 kilometer. A satellite orbits the Earth 225 kilometers. 225 kilometers. How much, Ra? 225 kilometer above its surface. What is that, guys? Above its surface means from the surface, how much it is, Ra? From the surface, how much it is? 225 kilometers. So here is the satellite is present. Here is the satellite is revolving. How much it is, everybody? 225 kilometers
225 kilometers.
from above the surface. 225 kilometers from the above the surface. Now this is what we know, Earth. Earth. So next point. Next, given that the mass of the Earth is 5.97 into 10 power 24 kg. 5.97 into 10 power 24 kg. This is what, guys? Mass of Earth, ME.
Earth.
Understand?
Yes,
Mass
sir.
of Earth, ME. And radius of Earth is 6.38 into 10 power 6 meters. Radius of Earth is how much, Ra? 6.38 into
0.38
10
power 6.
meters. 10 power 6 meters. Next, comma, what are the satellites' orbital speed and period? What are the satellites' orbital speed and what, guys? Orbital speed and period. Understand? Shruti, Sai, Tamil Selvan?
Yes, sir.
What is the orbital speed and period? But now here, if you are enough smart, two things you have to do. Can anybody say what is that two things? Please.
Sir, we have to change the radius from meter to kilometer.
That is one thing. But radius means, Maitreyan, have you noticed it? Is it they have given from the center to the earth or from the surface of the earth? Elmukil, Pradosh, Maitreyan. Is it from the center to the earth or from the surface of the earth?
Surface of the
Surface of the earth. But what I said, while we are calculating, we have to take from the center or from the surface.
Or from the center.
center of the
That is what it is. Is it yes or no? This is the planet and this is the satellite, if we'll consider. So then what is happening? From the center we have to take, but I have given from the surface to, from the surface of the earth to here, 225 kilometers. So first I have to make it into what? In meters. Yes or no?
Sure.
So 225 into 1 kilometer is equals to 10 power 3 meters. So this is what? Distance from the surface. Yes or no, guys? But we want from the center of the earth. Center of the earth. So what I have to do? Anybody? Any idea? So what is the radius? What is the radius? What is the distance between the center to the planet? Center of the earth to the satellite? Nobody can say. Orbital radius. What is the orbital radius, guys? Anybody? Orbital radius means, observe very carefully. This is what the planet. Is it yes or no, guys? So now, orbital radius means this total thing. This total thing is called as orbital radius. At least you speak yes or no, I will be answering. So this is what? Now, from here to here, they have given 225 kilometers. Then, what is this remaining? Remaining, can anybody say? Already we know this. What is this? What is this, Ra?
The radius of the
Radius of the earth. That's all correct. This is only called as radius of the earth. So if you add both, can I get the orbital radius? Yes or no? That
Yes,
is.
sir.
So orbital radius R is equals to, what is that? The distance from the satellite from the surface plus radius of the earth. Do you understand everybody? Radius of the earth plus next distance from the satellite from the surface. Is it okay, guys? That is what both you have to add. What is RS? RS indicate what, Ra? What is that? Distance between the surface from the satellite. Understanding? Distance between satellite from the surface. From where? From surface. Okay. So now, what is the earth radius, Ra? Earth radius 6.38 into 10 power 6 meters. And plus, if you add this one, 225 into 10 power 3 meters, then total you will to get. Is it okay, guys? Clear, everybody? Yes or no? Now, this is also, everybody, what you can take? 2.25 you can take. Then what will become 10 power 5 meters it will become. Is it okay, guys? From the surface. Are you clear, everybody, what I'm saying? So now like this. So this is what orbital radius. Orbital radius is equals to total. You can add it. And later, as we know, remaining all the things you people know. So G value, you know, and mass of the earth, you know, same way. All the radius also, you know now. So calculate both and you please need to WhatsApp me all the things. Everybody should solve. Tomorrow we'll verify whether your answer is correct or not. Is it okay, guys? Clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you understand now? So why I am taking both addition? Have you noticed it? Height, h plus height of the satellite plus radius of the earth. Both will give you the orbital velocity. Yes or no, Ra? Yes, Pradosh? So this R is,
Sir.
we assume as a h also. You can no issues. So h indicate what? Height of the satellite from the surface. Understand? So what is that? Height of the satellite from the surface. That is only both if we'll add, we used to get what? Orbital velocity. This is what everybody need, missing thing, because they have given on from the surface, not from the center of the earth. So, but as we know, orbital radius means from the center, yes or no? So that is why both we have to add. So this is the point which you have to remember. If you understand this point, definitely you will be able to solve this one. So solve it and you have to tell me. Still so many is not sending me. Everybody must solve it. Sai, I hope you understand the today's class. Are you clear, Sai? Solve this example and send me. Again, next class we will verify whether our answers are correct or not. That's all. With this, I will stop. Thank you, everybody. Bye. Solve it and send me immediately. Okay.
Thank you, sir.